Well, I'm not going to be alone showing you this car. I've got two colleagues to help me. From Switzerland, Rahel Frey. She's been racing in the DTM for Audi since 2011. And Eduardo Mortara, the 25-year-old, also started in the DTM for Audi in 2011, and he's twice been a race winner. Exclusively for you, exclusively online, the brand new Audi RS5 Cabriolet, a unique presentation, a first for Audi. So is that sound. Wow, that's special. Eduardo, what's so special about this car?
Well, it's pretty unique combination you've got here. You've got the sporty performances of an RS model with a fantastic open-top driving experience.
I can vary the characteristic of this car over a wide range using the standard Audi Drive Select system. This means I can kick back and cruise, but also drive very, very fast.
Now let's take a look at the key facts and figures for the Audi RS5 Cabriolet. A 4.2-litre V8 engine with FSI gasoline direct injection. 450 horsepower at 8,250 RPM. From 0 to 100 kilometres an hour in 4.9 seconds with a top speed of 250 kilometres an hour. And for those for whom that's not enough, Audi will increase the top speed to 280 kilometres an hour. And of course, first-class design. A sharp tornado line, LED rear lights with elegant, newly designed light strips, wedge-shaped headlights, and much more. So that's it, we are done. All that remains is to say thank you to you for joining us, and goodbye.